Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys if you can get more than one reward by submitting more than one cake in the gear shop. So today is Eloise's birthday. Make sure you head on over to the gear shop and give her a cake. But I just want to know, if we give her another cake, will we get another reward from her? So I'm just going to go to the to the gear shop, to the garden shop. Then I'm just going to get that cake here. We have this cake over here. We're going to feed Eloise, and let's see if we get another reward from it. Okay, so we can only feed Eloise one time. We cannot feed her more than once. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you give her like a transcendent food so you can get better rewards. I got a level up lollipop from that. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.